Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best microwaves that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Microwave. Amazon Basics Microwave is our best pick microwave, and Amazon have really knocked it out of the park with this one. It's smart, it's functional, and it's modern, plus the price range is on point. This amazing microwave allows you to control cooking with your voice through Alexa, so you can pop something in, ready for cooking later on in the day. Or if you've got your hands full, then simply ask Alexa to start microwaving. It's also compact and powerful, with up to 10 power levels, a kitchen timer, and child lock. Setup is easy and straightforward, allowing you to plug in and go, or simply connect to the internet through the Alexa app and get talking. Be sure to maintain it with some of the best oven cleaners from our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Toshiba EM131A5 CSS microwave oven with smart sensor. Toshiba are known for their electronical products and for producing high-quality items. This microwave oven is no different and even comes with a smart sensor that can tell how much steam is being emitted and adjust cooking times to ensure your food is the best it can be. It also has lots of food options, which means you can just press a button and go, whether that's potatoes, pizza, or vegetables. One of the more unique features of this product is the door handle, as opposed to push button, which many modern microwaves choose. Perfect for people looking for something a little more traditional. The 1100 wattage means that Toshiba EM131A5 CSS microwave is extremely powerful, providing you with optimal cooking results and no disappointment when it comes to the perfect popcorn. Be sure to also check out our list of the best bread machines for more great items like this. At number 3, we have the Commercial Chef CHM660B Countertop Microwave. If you're looking for a functional and practical microwave that does what it needs to do, without all the bells and whistles, then the Commercial Chef Microwave Oven is ideal. Although not the prettiest or most attractive on our list, the Commercial Chef knows what its job is and gets to work. The mechanical dials and door handle make this a popular choice for people who prefer something simple and straightforward, without the need for advanced technology to be involved. It's lightweight, so be moved around in your kitchen easily, but unfortunately only comes in black, which might not suit everyone's tastes. However, you really do get what you pay for with the Commercial Chef, and there's no hidden agenda. Love this product? Check out our review of the best waffle makers for our top picks. At number 2, we have the Panasonic Microwave Oven Nitrogen Mononitride SN966S. Panasonic Microwave Oven Nitrogen Mononitride SN966S is a slick and modern microwave, as well as being extremely powerful. Panasonic are another well-known brand, and this appliance fits their bill of being high quality, technology-driven, and robust. It's stainless steel, which means it's built to last, and there's no bulkiness at all, which provides a seamless design. The 1250 wattage is impressive, but the price tag matches that high power. However, it's definitely worth it if you're looking for something for a bit more pizzazz and style. With smart cooking settings and sensors, as well as Panasonic's inverter technology for more efficient cooking, this is a clever piece of equipment and especially useful if you do a lot of microwave cooking. Find more great products like this by checking out our guide to the best portable induction cooktops. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sharp R21 LCFS Medium Duty Commercial Microwave Oven. One of our most expensive microwaves on this list, the Sharp Commercial Microwave Oven is perfect for the more professional chef, who'll be using the appliance multiple times throughout the day. The price point is probably a little too steep for those of us choosing to defrost a chicken breast or get the popcorn sorted for a movie night. However, this 1000-watt device is powerful and robust, perfect for a commercial environment. Stainless steel design and easily accessible door handle means that even the messiest and clumsiest of chefs won't have a problem. It also has a huge interior, which can accommodate larger food options, such as platters and pans. You may also like to check our guide to the best food dehydrators.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.